Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 11. I have worked really hard. I've done a lot. I've done a lot of cooking. I have neglected the housework. And I think it's time to take a day and just clean house. So hopefully I can get another bobbin spun on the Jacob wool for the hoodie and do some more knitting. I did finish the pocket yesterday and attached it, so I knit enough of the body to match the length of the pocket. Yay! That part's done. I just have like 2 inches left to go and then the bottom ribbing and the body will be done. Yay! Okay, I also bought some more yarn. Do you want to see? Do you want to see? Here. Okay, since I sold a few hats and scarves at the art fair at the concert, I decided to make more. So these are Puzzle Premier yarns, and this one is all like light grays and white. This is like winter. I love this. And then this is light browns, light and dark browns, light and medium browns. Love these. So at some point, I'm gonna make some more hats and scarves, but not today. I also ordered something which I will show you when it gets here. I bought some yarn for another project. Again, I will show you that when that gets here because I don't want to spoil it. I have some fan mail I need to open. I'm gonna film an unboxing and stuff. I need to do that. I also need to dye wool for 2026 Fiber Club subscription, whatever you want to call it. That is run over on Ko-fi only. And I have all of the colors picked out. So I need to just get started working on that, but I doubt that's going to happen today. I do need to get it done before Christmas because I need to mail out the first one before Christmas, or yeah. I got a lot to do. Let's go get started and let's just start with a little bit of housework so that I can go get my shower when I'm done getting all hot and sweaty. Look at this. This is disgusting. I'm going to take the top of the stove off, take it outside, and spray it down with oven cleaner and let it sit for a few hours. I might do it in the bathtub. I'll do it in the bathtub. I think it's going to rain today. This is just gross. Do you see all the ew? Stuff boiled over and never got cleaned. Like, the stove's supposed to be cleaned every day. Has it been cleaned in the past week? No. My kids are slacking. So am I. look at that. Look at that. It's not perfect, but it's so much better. Yay! I'm back. I have done all of the housework I had planned to do. I cleaned the floors, cleaned the oven. How'd you like that transformation on the stovetop? That was pretty profound, and it's been way too long since the last time I scrubbed it. I am very happy. I got so grossed out after filming that little bit about how nasty the stovetop was. As soon as I sprayed everything down with oven cleaner, I went and took a shower. I was that grossed out. So I did all my cleaning with wet hair, which makes me very, very cold, but at least I didn't overheat. And now that the floors are clean, I have got the heaters back out and I'm able to warm up the house again because I had to turn them all off while I cleaned floors. The joys of having space heaters instead of using our central heat, which blows from the ceiling and does us absolutely no good. Just makes us all stuffy in the head and then we're freezing. So I think that I want to get out the fudge that we made together and cut it into pieces and put it in a container, but you know, I might let the kids do that when they get home. They need to finish mopping because I just did the living room and kitchen. I didn't do the rest of the house, and the hallway and their bedrooms need to be mopped. We'll see what we do after they get out of school. I've got a couple more hours before I have to leave the house. So, I don't know. I've got a lot of spinning to do. I've got some more knitting to do. And right now, I'm listening to an audiobook, and I don't really feel like spinning, so I think I'm going to knit. And if I run out of yarn on the hoodie, I'll just knit a hat or a scarf, because that sounds like fun. I should spend some time outside, too, because it's cold, but it's really nice out there. Like, it's a little overcast, but not bad, and it's just like the perfect, crisp day. I need to be outside. I do have some phone calls to make, so I think I'll do that next. Anyways, enough rambling, and I'm going to go now. We'll show you whatever else I managed to get done today, and yeah, enjoy.
Z is known to. This isn't One Piece. This is just like mythology.
Okay.
But it does say that. But it does say that Oda did draw inspiration from the Chinese mythology. I just don't know how much of the actual Fingsy abilities he might have given Warford. Because if he gave him everything, I don't see might be a real problem.